Nan Yun Industrial Company Limited, established in 1993, specializes in design and manufacture complete series of screws and barrels for plastic and rubber extrusion and injection machines, including all types of screws with special alloys and special flight that meets all clients' needs in extrusion and injection molding. By upholding our ideals in innovation and breakthrough, technological leadership, insistence on quality, Nan Yun Industrial has been growing steadily, continuously surpassing our competitors, and has achieved in producing high performance and high versatile products that others are unable to make. After working persistently for more than a decade, Nan Yun has become the largest and most modernized screw and barrel manufacturer in Taiwan, with a monthly production capacity of more than 500 sets. Nan Yun holds the leading position in the Taiwanese industry, in which its product quality has received high recognition by clients around the world. Consolidated production. Pursuing the highest quality of screws and barrels is Nan Yun's persistence. Nan Yun has invested heavily on purchasing various advanced processing equipment, gradually established a complete integrated manufacturing process, which all of the processes are done in modernized production lines in sequence, so that the quality of each manufacturing process is fully under control. Nan Yun's design department is capable of conducting comprehensive analysis based on client's machine model, production capacity, and resin property. Dedicated to design the optimized screws and barrels for every client. Every screw parameters is based on professional theory and design with extensive practical experience. These ensure that Nan Yun's design and manufacturing of screws and barrels can truly help clients to increase product quality and production efficiency. Raw materials import. Nan Yun utilize imported raw materials from Japan's Daido, Hitachi, Sanyo Steel, and more. Nan Yun offers clients the most suitable and cost-effective material selection based on the production capacity requirements and the property of raw materials for plastic and rubber extrusions and injections. Homogenizing. Adjust material's hardness, increases the tenacity, allows the structure of inner molecules to become finer and more stable to prevent material deformation during processing. After the steel materials are being homogenized, they undergo ultrasonic crack inspection, making sure that there are no defects such as welding seams, cracks, pores, before proceed to the actual processing. Prior to the actual processing, our outstanding technicians would perform 3D simulation tests based on clients' drawing schemes to make sure the gear gaps of the twin screw conform to the correct values. From screw rough turning, rough thread rolling, to fine thread rolling and stirring, each process is operated by specialized machine and professional divisions of labor for minor tasks of each process. For a screw to perform its main functions, such as material feeding, conveying, compressing, melting, exhaustion, and homogenizing on the machine. The PTA nickel tungsten-based alloy spray welding technology fuse the weld tracks and the base metal completely. The hardness layer of a single side is 1.5 millimeters, with a hardness of HRC 60 degrees. It is durable to wearing and corrosion, greatly extend the service life of the screw. Thread polishing. Roughness up to radius 0.3 microns. Outer diameter grinding, straightness and roundness can reach to 0.02 millimeters. The boring integrated with the barrel enables straight and precise processing angle. Even thickness of bore diameter effectively enhances the feeding smoothness of screw. Interior rifle groove. Appropriate rifling lines is designed per client's requirement. Automatic computerized precision processing maximize the production capacity of plastic and rubber machinery. Flange drilling. The drilling is preceded by diagonal drilling to avoid any deformation caused by the difference in temperatures, precise bore diameter dimension, with appropriate thread pitch. The barrels and the machine body are tightly latched to each other, creating the excellent solidity. Feeding hole milling is processed after nitrogenization. This can ensure the straightness of the barrel bore diameter and to reduce the friction with the screw. Nitride. The process increases the thermal resistance and hardness of the material surface and adjusts the hardness and ductility of the material, which increase its wear durability, reduces the wear rate, and extends its lifetime. Electroplating. Divided into hard chrome plating and phosphor nickel alloy plating. Hard chrome plating can increase the lubrication of plastic and rubber materials, prevents scratches on the surface, enables the screws to maintain its flow coefficient during the melting process, and to stabilize the extrusion and injection performance. Phosphor nickel alloy plating gives materials properties such as high temperature and corrosion resistance. It can also greatly raise the adhesion density of the melted materials to satisfy melting and mixing requirements of all kinds of resin in every plastic and rubber injection machine. PVD ion plating is divided into nitrogenized titanium, nitrogenized chromium, nitrogenized aluminum titanium. Advantage: high thermal resistant, super wear and corrosion resistant. Bimetallic barrels. To achieve barrel straightness and roundness, they are to be grinded after going through centrifugal casting and rough boring. The thickness on single side of the barrel is 2.5 millimeters. It has the properties of wear durability and corrosion durability, longer service time than normal barrels. Persistence on 100% quality control. As the performance of the machine and the quality of the products highly depend on screws and barrels, every screw and barrel manufactured by Nan Yun have to pass strict, high standardized inspections before leaving the factory. Nan Yun's QA division operate many precision inspection instruments to thoroughly perform material feeding, processing, and finished product inspections. The highly strict process control satisfies the quality management demands from the clients and guarantees the quality of Nan Yun's products to reach perfection. Product introduction. Inflation machines, specialized screws, barrels, and various stirring products. Pelletizer, specialized screws and barrels. Blow molding machines, specialized screws and barrels. Sheet extruding and laminating machines, specialized screws and barrels. Co-rotating twin screw extruder, specialized screws and barrels. PVC counter-rotating twin screw extrusion machines, specialized screws and barrels. Planetary products, specialized screws and barrels. Plastic and rubber injection molding machines, specialized screws and barrels. Static mixer, specialized screws and barrels. Bimetallic barrels, TCB-12, abrasion and corrosion resistant, TCB-20, super abrasion resistant, TCB-60, super corrosion resistant. For many years, Nan Yun is persistent with its products and has maintained the product quality with a highly strict standard, and that is why our screws and barrels are highly recognized by domestic and international injection and extrusion machines manufacturers. We have established many long-term cooperation partners, and the sales domains are spread worldwide. In the future, NanYun shall continue to uphold our ideals in innovation and breakthrough, technological leadership, insistence on quality, as we insist to offer clients the best products. In addition, we shall face the changes and challenges of the industry with a more pragmatic attitude and march forward towards a globalized, dynamic, and continuous business operation.